In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on conversation intelligence in HubSpot step by step. If you're using HubSpot for sales calls or customer conversations, enabling conversation intelligence can help you automatically transcribe, analyze, and gain insights from your calls without any extra manual work. It's a powerful feature that can improve coaching, reporting, and overall team performance. So if that sounds useful, stick around. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, head to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open your account settings. This is where you manage all your account level configurations, including calling features and conversation tools. After you're inside the settings area, look at the menu on the left-hand side. You'll need to navigate to the Tools section. Under Tools, find and click on Calling. This is where HubSpot manages all calling-related features, including call tracking, phone numbers, and advanced call setup options. Once you're inside the Calling section, click on Call Setup. This will take you to the area where you can configure how calls work in your HubSpot account. Here you can manage providers, recording settings, and additional call features depending on your subscription level. Next, at the top of the Call Setup page, look for the Call Configurations tab and select it. After clicking on Call Configurations, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Transcription and Analysis. This is the section that controls HubSpot's conversation intelligence features, including automatic call transcription and insights. In the Transcription and Analysis section, you'll see the option to enable conversation intelligence. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch to enable transcription and analysis. Once you switch it on, HubSpot will begin transcribing and analyzing eligible calls based on your settings. That's it. There's no complicated setup process beyond this point. After enabling it, make sure your calls are being recorded if required, since transcription relies on recorded conversations. Going forward, your team will be able to review call transcripts, search conversations by keywords, and use the data for coaching and performance tracking. And that's exactly how you turn on conversation intelligence in HubSpot. It only takes a couple of minutes, but it can make a huge difference in how you manage and optimize your sales conversations. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.